Hey guys, welcome to Barrick Mitsubishi. My name is Josh, and today, as you can clearly see, we have got something very, very special with us. It is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT and finished in that orange fury, crowned Ford's color of the year in 2018. Does look absolutely fantastic. I'm going to walk you through, show you the features and the overall incredible condition of this car. Starting at the front end, it's not often I get excited about the front end of a Ford, but let me tell you, this looks unbelievable. I've got that gloss black front grille with the gloss black Ford Mustang, the Mustang badging in the middle. Does tie in very nicely, gives a good contrast with that orange paintwork, and let's be honest, it is the best look for the front end of these Mustangs so far. Nice and sharp, does come out quite far, and you've even got that lip at the front there, just protecting the whole front bar, because it does sit quite low. Now, in these headlights, you have got the daytime running lamps, the three lamps in the headlight. For those of you Marvel fans, that actual surround for the headlight does look like Iron Man's arc reactor, in my opinion, so does look incredible. And when those headlights are turned on, let me just tell you, it is a very unique front end. You've got the indicators just built in down here as well, and the vents just down here. Now, they are non-functional, but they look tough as hell, let's be honest. If we have a look at that first alloy wheel, finished in the black, once again, good contrast with the orange paintwork, and they do give good clearance for those big Brembo brakes behind there. So it's all fun and games having plenty of power under the engine, but when it comes to stopping, those Brembos are going to do the job. Along the side here, you've got the black 5.0 badging. Once again, the side skirts down here is protecting your whole front bar, and they do give it a more aerodynamic, better, sportier look. Now, the mirrors themselves as well, very sharp design there, color matched with the paintwork and the door handles, and you've got the black underside of the mirror as well, so any stone chips that may flick up aren't going to actually damage the paint on your mirror. There is also an indicator just built into there. It is a nice subtle design, but very, very nice. Now, something I love about this car, the keyless entry is one of the things, so just put your hand in the handle to open it and press the touchpad on the door to lock it. But I love frameless windows, don't you? How good does it look when you open your door? There's no big ugly frame above that window. And the inside, beautiful leather seats in this vehicle. The bolsters are all still firm. Pretty much presents like a brand new car, and even the ambient lighting on the doors where the Mustang badging is, you can actually change the color of that. I'll show you how to customize the colors of the interior later, but it is a beautiful design on these doors. And considering it is a larger door, people tend to get lazy and kick the doors open, but very well looked after. There's no scuffing along that door at all. Paintwork along this car does present in showroom condition, so very well looked after, and it is a beautiful vehicle. You've got wider rims on the back here, once again. Does stand out, gives you the extra control you need, especially driving a Mustang, and let me tell you, the fitment of those rims is phenomenal. Along to the back of the vehicle, it's quite a low-sitting vehicle, but it does present very well, and it is a nice drive as well. On the back end, the taillights do mimic the headlights to some degree, that you do get the three lights in them. You've got that large ducktail spoiler with the black glossed out GT badging just here as well. Down the bottom, once again, the rear splitter continues along to the back of the vehicle. Considering this is where most people are going to be seeing your car from when you are driving, it's good to have a good looking back end. You've got the rear camera just in there as well. Down the bottom, you've got those large quad tip tailpipes, and let me tell you, the note they make is incredible. You've even got the color match parking sensors on the back here. Now, just opening that boot up quickly, the boot release is just under there. When you open it up, you've got plenty of storage in the back. You've even got that factory fitted subwoofer and your rubber mats and the rubber boot liner in the back here. That is a car cover as well, if you did want to cover it what it is in the showroom or in your garage. Might as well call your garage a showroom with this thing sitting in there. In the back here, you've got your inflation kit as well for the spare wheel. Keep making our way along the passenger side now. Once again, beautiful condition all the way along this side. The fuel filler cap is on the passenger side. You do just need to pop that open just like that. It is an easy release, so there's no fuel filler cap in there either. The condition of these rims presents in brand new condition. No marks at all that I can see on these rims, and the tires still beautiful condition as well. Keep making our way along the car. You can see paintwork all the way from front to back presents in showroom condition. So the previous owners obviously been using that car cover in the back, and let's face it, you're going to want to use it as well. And to protect your paintwork, please ask us about the glass coat, because we're going to offer you a lifetime warranty on this paintwork. It looks incredible, and I'm going to show you just how to take advantage of that lifetime warranty as well. That last wheel, as you just saw, completely unmarked, so beautiful condition all the way around this vehicle. What we're going to do now is take a look at its heart. Let's open the bonnet and have a chat about what's under there. Alright, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is a V8 5-cylinder petrol engine with a 10-speed automatic gearbox. It's going to give you a beautiful drive and plenty of torque and plenty of power as well. Let me just say, having a look under the Mustang engine bay, it does look incredible. That is a very, very well set up engine bay in there. Now, the power output from this engine is 339 kilowatts, and massive numbers there, and a torque rating of 556 newton meters. Once again, absolutely no shy figures there at all. Probably not going to be buying this car for its fuel economy, but it does hold 61 liters and it does run on 98 fuel only. So only recommend running a premium car on premium fuel. What we're going to do now is take a look at the inside. Alright guys, taking a look inside the Mustang now, I must say Ford has outdone themselves with these 2018 models. It is absolutely incredible, and when comparing it to some of the older model Mustangs, I can say there are a lot of upgrades which do make this interior quite beautiful, and it does make it a very, very fun car to drive. Now, on the driver's side door here, there is that really nice leather on the door itself and a handle just in here as well. On the door card, you do get your power window controls plus the mirror controls and a button to let you fold it in. Now, on the right hand side here, you do get your boot release, and on the right hand side of the clusters, or your brightness controls, fog lights, and your headlight controls as well. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, on the right hand stalk, is your lane keeping indicators and your high beams. On the left hand side here, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Wipers are also automatic. Now, the steering wheel in the Mustangs is incredible. It does have a very old school look to it, but does still maintain that beautiful modern leather wrapped kind of look to it with all your steering wheel controls as well. Now, the buttons on the right hand side do let you switch through what you see in the display, few of the things you see in the display. On the left hand side, your media controls, and down below that is your cruise control. Now, on the bottom right here, you do get a few extra little buttons. There is a Mustang button which lets you choose your driving mode. As you can see, full digital dash in this Mustang, which is absolutely amazing. But that little Mustang button lets you change various aspects of your car's performance, personalize your colors, your rev matching, your shifting, your launch control, and even your interior illumination controls. Then the settings goes through your driver assistance and speed settings, miles per hour or kilometers per hour, whatever you prefer. And then you've also got your navigation in there as well. So plenty you can do with that display. Now, there is a little button here which I will just show you what it does, and then I'll show you the button later. If you switch through, it can change between racetrack, which gives you your rev tacho at the top and asks you to refer to the owner's manual before using this mode, keeps you on the lines and everything as well. And then you've got your drag strip mode, snow or wet, normal, which changes the back to your traditional looking cluster. Then you've got my mode, which you can customize to however you want, and you've got sports plus as well. So a few different displays for however you like to look at your vehicle. Does change things like your steering mode, your exhaust mode, your performance suspension, and the actual display of the cluster and what it actually shows you. Now, if we move into the center display, these Mustangs do get the best entertainment system on the market. So Ford's Sync system. I'm just going to put it in reverse and show you. You do get a quite beautiful display reverse camera there, and you can see the rear bar, and if you press that plus button, it zooms right into the rear bar so you can back up to anything behind you. You've also got your diagram for your parking sensors up there as well. You've also got the controls down the bottom for your climate control, your phone, navigation, and your mobile apps as well. Down below that, hard buttons for your radio. You've also got your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver both set their own temperatures, and you've also got heated and cooling seats for both front seats, so great for summer and winter. Now, the mode button I was talking here, the Mustang maintains, as I said, quite a retro look on the inside. So you've got your mode selector, you've also got your steering mode, you've also got traction control and your hazards, as well as the engine ignition start on stop, which once again has quite a retro look to it. Down the bottom, you've got a cigarette lighter. Obviously, you're not going to be smoking in this car, but it's good to know that you have got that feature. You've also got a USB input just down there and some storage if you wanted to keep your phone. Now you've got the Ford Racing Shifter, which when you want to put it in reverse, just lift up the bottom and push it to the left, and between gears it is very, very comfortable, so nice throws between those gears as well. Behind that again, you've got two cup holders with the rubber grommets in here, which will hold various sizes of drinks, and they are quite tight. Now underneath that is also an illumination that surrounds that, so you can change the color of your interior illumination. As I said, center console opens up just like that. You've got a USB port, another 12-volt socket in there, plus some storage and your lock nut for your wheel lugs. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way around the back. So as you can see, probably not much space in the back, but being a Mustang, I wouldn't imagine you'd put a full-size adult in the back anyway, just like my cameraman is quite cramped up in the back. But if we pan around the interior, even the roof lining is in pretty much showroom condition, just like the exterior. Very, very well looked after. And in these kind of kilometers, you really can't go wrong with this car at all. Guys, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Mustang. Thank you so much for your inquiry, because I'm sure once you come down and check this out, you're going to want this car. It is absolutely incredible. And considering it looks like it's in showroom condition, ask us about the glass coat, because you will get a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. And let's face it, when your garage turns into a showroom with this thing sitting in there, you're going to want to keep your car looking mint as well, and that's going to help you maintain the overall condition of your car. The other thing is the premium mechanical protection plan. If you are planning on keeping it for a long time, that is going to make sure that your car is running and maintained for as long as you own it. So an extra 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, with up to 10 years of platinum nationwide roadside assistance. It is a great way to protect your investment and make sure your car's up and running for as long as you own it. Now, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, are going to talk to you about your finance packages. They're also going to show you just how minimal the change in your repayments will be, with everything included in there, helping you protect your car. Just before I go though, you need to look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars and over 1,000 reviews from all over the country. So it does show that people enjoy dealing with us. We're going to make the process easy and ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. So if you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.